Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a 2016 makeup. So put away the tinted moisturizer, put away the BB cream, the liquid blush. Today we're doing blocky brows. We're doing a mask of foundation. We are doing matte liquid lipstick. And we are doing enough concealer to hide my secrets. So let's get started. So we are using this Elegil gel liner in dark brown because I don't have the Anastasia the brow. So yeah, we're gonna use that. We're gonna be doing these brows blocky.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
I'm using the Elegil Pro Concealer. That concealer was the best concealer to use at that time, and I still use it to this day. I still do my makeup kind of like 2016 still. So yeah, because I love that era makeup. Usually I would use fawn, but I couldn't get fawn, so I'm using the color Toffee, and I'm going to start carving out my brows. So usually I don't do face first, usually I do eyes first, but I'm also filming a TikTok, so I'll be doing foundation first. So we used to put on a lot of foundation because we want it to be very full coverage. We want it to be very full coverage, and we didn't used to use any primer or anything really. So I'm gonna be doing foundation.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
And we would use a wet beauty blender to blend it out. If you're hearing that noise, somebody building something. But now we're going on to the concealer. So after we put the foundation, we would put concealer, and the concealer we will put it on in we'll put on a lot, and put it in like a triangle, so like this.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Just a big set of concealer, and then we will blend it out.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Was the Elegant concealer. That was the same Elegant concealer, and then we would bake. People use the Laura Mercier powder, but I don't have that, so I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and we're gonna bake with that. We will just pack the powder like under our eyes, by our nose here. Honestly, I didn't used to really contour, but a lot of girlies would contour. I didn't used to really contour, but I would, like set here, just set the face so that it wouldn't be oily, you know. So yeah, I used to put it all on my eyebrows, like all over, like anywhere I put foundation really and concealer, we would set, and we will like bake for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I also set my eyelids. Okay, yes, so we would dust that off using a powder brush. We would just then I'll go in with my brown powder. Well, You all would say bronzer, but I would use brown powder. We call it brown powder where I'm from. So I'll go in with some brown powder and I'll put that over my face.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
And I'll go in with my big fluffy brush and just kind of like dust it between the eyebrows so that it won't be too harsh. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. We are going to prime the eyes. Usually I would use some type of white base, but the white base I used to use in 2016, I think it was the Jordana white base. I don't have that right now, so I'll be using the P. Louise white base so that my colors will pop more, you know. So yeah, that's what we'll be using. And we'll put that all over the lid. I just put it all over my eyelid and I blend it out with my finger. So I just do it like this. That's for the color to pop. Okay. So my mic ended up dying here, but I was saying that we are going to be doing a body type of look. We are using my old Gymshark palette and we are just going in with some dark brown and we are just going to be blending that into the crease, and then we'll be going into the same Gymshark palette and we'll be using a white eyeshadow for the brow bone just to make it pop nicely, you know.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here I am yapping again, but I'm going to cut the crease and I'm using the same P. Louise base to cut it. And I was talking about the weather because rain was falling real hard, but you guys could not hear me anyway. So yeah, cutting the crease here. Okay, so we're going in with some glitter eyeshadow base. Glitter base? I don't know what you call it, but it's a glitter base and you just put that on and then you put your glitter on top of it. So we're putting that on right now.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
We're going in with this Beauty Creations eyeshadow. It's a kind of bronzy shade and it's very pretty. So we're putting that on now.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So I'm going in with this Kiss New York liquid liner. Usually I love the e.l.f. liquid liner, but I could never for the life of me find that here. So this is the next best thing that I could use. And in 2016, we used to love to do nice big wings. And yeah, so let's do some wings together. And I'm just going to add some black eyeliner to my waterline.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So now I'm just going to be using my concealer and cleaning up my wings just because they're a little wonky and I want them to look a little more clean and sleek. So that's what I'm doing here. And after that, I will be going in with some powder just to clean everything up.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So here I'm just going in with some mascara to make my, bottom lashes give a little, But while putting on the mascara, I realized that the mascara was dry as hell and I need a new one. So when you all are putting on mascara, make sure and have good mascara. Even though I don't mind when it dry, but like it started to get too dry for me. So I need to go out and get a new one. But that's what I was saying ultimately in the video, that it was dry as hell and I need a new mascara. So yeah. So in 2016, we used to love to wear matte lips. So I'm using this Sasha Intense Lip Velvet in Are You Ready? And I love these matte lip velvets because they look so good.
So yes, we used to do like matte lips, you know. So that's what I'm putting on here.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
So in 2016, we used to wear a lot of highlighter. We used to wear it on our cheeks, on the top of our cupid's bow, our forehead, everywhere we used to wear it, our nose. But I don't have any highlighter right now, so I'm going to be using eyeshadow. I know, I am doing a 2016 makeup look without half the stuff. But we ball and we use what we have. And it's gonna look good anyway, so yeah.
So this is the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if you guys want to see more 2016 looks, or if you want to see I don't know what type of videos you would like to see from me. Any more 2016 makeup looks, or do you want to see like Euphoria makeup? I've seen that that's trending right now, so let me know what you would like to see. Bye.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on